Hi, my name is Anand Anil, and this video is part of the course Climate Science to Action. I live in Kerala, which is a state in the southern region of India, and the place is known for tropical monsoon climate and also its topography, and which gives its lush vegetation. We experience a kind of a tropical climate and 6 months rain from the southwest monsoon and as well as the northeast monsoon. Rainfall here is a cornerstone of life in this part of the world. That is what determines and drives the economy of this state. It can be seen in the agriculture we practice and also the electricity we generate, as more than 50% of the electricity we generate are coming from hydroelectric power. However, there have been changes in the climatic patterns here, such as a well-known example I can say is the 2018 floods in Kerala, which caused a lot of destruction to life as well as infrastructure in the state. And there have been other situations like drought, which was unheard of. Circling back to the 2018 floods, in the months of July, August, it received around 2,346 millimeter of rain, which was 42% above the normal during this time. 2024 was the hottest average year in the climatic history of this state. This creates drought-like conditions in many parts of the state, and its effect is felt across domains, such as in agriculture, like for example coffee, which is one of the major producers of the state, and its production have fell, and also in human wildlife conflict as well. When there is drought, the animals move to portions where the humans live. Climate change is felt across all spectrum of the population, and there is no escaping this. So some of the things which can be done is adopting resilient measures and adapting to the change. In this extreme weather events, one of the worst affected is the infrastructure of the locality, and which can further amplify the effects of the disaster. Foremost things we should do is building climate resilient infrastructure which can withstand extreme weather events such as floods. So what can we do in agriculture is by bringing in or making new crops which are resilient to the climate change, which can withstand extreme stresses. Another thing which can be done is bringing in awareness to every strata of the society, to every ages, to people of all ages. And unless the action comes across the world, is no stopping this climate change or reduce the effect. As a local community, whatever we do will contribute to the global efforts to mitigate the effects of this climate change. Some of the things we can do is switch to a cleaner fuel, be it in urban or rural mobility, or by using cleaner energy sources like solar energy rather than fossil fuels for generation of electricity, usage of public transport, and reducing our carbon footprint by constructing energy efficient buildings. However, this should be supported by in the policy level making. Climate change and its effects should be incorporated in whatever planning we do.